not just using EVOX all by itself, I'm really pairing it with my unique process of emotional wellness, looking at it through the lens of the subconscious. So we're using EVOX and that biofeedback to help regulate the nervous system, to help shift things. But as we go through an EVOX session, I am asking questions to help us deduce what is stuck. What are the repressed emotions, the limiting beliefs? What are the core experiences where these emotions and beliefs came from? And what needs to be said, heard, done, etc. for my mind, body, and spirit to be able to release these fully. And that is really my unique process that I'm bringing to it. But what I love about pairing my process with EVOX therapy is, like I said before, I think EVOX, we're together identifying what's stuck, what needs to be released, what needs to be integrated. And EVOX, I think, is allowing the mind to be able to release and integrate with so much more speed and ease.